Saving money feels useless at first, and if you've ever tried to save only a few $100s and wondered why nothing seems to change, you're not alone. And before we begin, if you want clear, no hype explanations about money and how real wealth is actually built, subscribe to Money Mind. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Saving feels pointless before $10,000 because there is no momentum yet. You save a little, then rent, groceries, insurance, and everyday expenses slowly pull it back out, making it feel like you're running in place. At this stage, your savings don't earn meaningful interest, they don't protect you from financial shocks, and they don't change the way you make decisions, so your brain never gets rewarded for the effort. This is why most people quit, not because saving doesn't work, but because the early phase is pure resistance. Below $10,000, saving is about building stability, not growth, and stability is invisible. But once you cross that first milestone, everything changes. $10,000 creates breathing room. Emergencies stop being disasters. Small expenses stop causing panic. You begin making decisions from a place of control instead of stress, and saving finally starts to feel useful. This is the point where progress compounds, confidence increases, and momentum takes over. The biggest mistake people make is stopping right before this shift happens. Saving isn't about feeling rich early, it's about surviving the hardest phase long enough for the system to start working in your favor. And once it does, building wealth becomes calmer, faster, and